走れ明日へ続く進化の道は新たな伝説のデュエル。
Hello YouTube, Aswan Prime here. Sorry about the lack of videos for the past 2 weeks, I've been quite busy. But today I'm bringing you 6 packs of Extreme Victory. So let's get started, this fast. TG Striker, rare. I was hoping to get some Doodles Pack Crow, but my store didn't have any. But oh well. I hope we do. Oh, sorry about this. I was hoping to do a video on it, but we'll have to wait for another time. Brain Hazard, rare, and Tour Guide from the Underworld, secret, nice. I think it's just the money card of the set. I'm not sure, but nice. The next pack. Soundproofed, rare. Junk Servant, rare, needed that. TG Repro Dragonfly and Blackwing Hill and the Tengu Wind, super rare. I actually thought I was on the hollow one. Hate that rare. It's not like formula. And that pack. Trade Toad and a Naturia Eggplant is super. Okay, just a quick recap. 2 supers and 1 secret. Naturia Eggplant, Blackwing Hill in the Tengu Wind, and a tour guide from the Underworld. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Aswan Prime. See you next time.